Yeah. हाँ हाँ राहुल आए राहुल राहुल जैन है रा
Yes, sir.
ओके ओके first I give some small introduction like how what is SAP, okay, what is ERP, okay, what are the modules are available, functional and technical, what is landscape, okay, all those things first I will explain. Okay, tomorrow onwards we will start the day-to-day classes. Okay. Actually, I have already explained all the SAP introduction and all. Yesterday, I have explained this implementation phases. Okay. Uh, yeah, already told you, right? Okay, few of the people joined newly. Okay, this and those 5 people. Okay. Okay. Actually, SAP is the ERP tool. ERP means enterprise resource planning. Okay. Enterprise means every day you can bring note. Okay, whenever I'm saying some important things, you can write it down. Okay. Enterprise means organization or firm or company. Okay. Enterprise means organization, firm or company. Resource means manpower or materials. Planning means execution. Whenever we are working MM module, SD module, these are all common. Okay. All SAP modules are ERP tool. Planning means execution. Okay. One organization, what they are using manpower and material, they start doing the execution activities. That's why we can call it as a ERP. If you don't understand, can you say me? Okay, I will explain the proper way. Okay. One organization using manpower and material, they start doing the execution activities. That's why we can call it as a ERP. Why is ERP required? It's an integration of business processes. I think hope all are able to see my screen, right? Guys, Jaya,
Yes,
Ashlesh.
yes.
Okay. Why is ERP required? Integration of business process. Whenever we are working any ERP product, integration will be there. Integration means it will be integrated with the different business processes. Like uh, sales module integrated with the quality management, sales module integrated with the MM module, PP module. PP means production, quality management, finance. All are integrated with the finance finally. Finance is the main basic code module. Whenever you update something, it will automatically update in the finance. You don't need to inform, okay, that guy is working in the finance department. And also standardization of the system across the location. Wherever you go, across the India, across the world, the system standardization is unique. Anywhere you can log in and start doing your day-to-day activities. And also it control all your organization aspects in a better way. Okay, it control all your organization aspects in a better way. And also better controlling of different business processes. Like we have order to cash in SD module, procure to pay in MM module, PP module we have plan to produce. Like we are planning the product and produce. Once we produce, then what sales module will do? They will do the sales. For doing the production of that material, we require procurement. Okay, all are integrated. We have different business process and also better reporting system. Like we have purchase reports, production reports, sales reports, quality, and none. Best utilization of resources like manpower, material, and machine. Using these advantages, we are going for ERP tool and all. These are the ERP products. SAP, Oracle, Bond, PeopleSoft, JD Edwards, Marshall, Microsoft Dynamics. Out of these ERP products, SAP is occupied more than 70 to 80% market share. If you go to the circle, okay, 80% out of that total 100% circle, 80% SAP is occupied. More than like 80% the manufacturing industries are using SAP. Used medium to large scale industries based on the company turnover. Company turnover like 50 crores, 100 crores, 200 crores, right? They will go for SAP or not. Like annual turnover. Okay. Why only SAP? Why can't remaining means SAP is the user-friendly software. It's convenient to the users. Okay. And also is a tightly integrated product. Integration means whenever we update something, like one of the module, like manufacturing or sales, automatically it will be reflected in the finance department. You don't need to inform. It's an integrated product. And also it's a user-friendly, integrated. It provides data security. Security in the sense, suppose you are working in the SD, she is working in the PP module, you are working in the MM. Different modules are there, right? Different modules, each module has some T codes, like a transaction codes. Only MM module have only this T code access. PP module only one this access. If there is no control, okay, anyone can do any transaction. That is not make sense. Got it? Are you getting? Suppose we are not providing access only SD rules, SDT codes. You can work MM also. You can work PP also. You can work FI also. There is no control, right? Controlling is required. Okay, that's why basis people or security people, what they will do, they provide data security. Means roles, they will provide authorizations. You have to use this transaction only. Okay, and also in SAP, all modules are one folder. All are in one place. It's a consolidated system. Using these advantages, most of the manufacturing companies, they will choose SAP or not. Clear? Next, after SAP, Oracle. This is also a medium to large scale industries. Okay, compared to Oracle, SAP is the advanced bit in case of ERP and all. Bond, PeopleSoft, JD Edwards, all these ERP products use small scale industries. Suppose you have started one business, manufacturing. You don't have turnover. You can choose SAP. Is there any make sense? No. That's why for data capturing purpose, day-to-day activities, you are using one ERP product. That's a small ERP product. Okay, these are the ERP products. Okay. Next, what is SAP? SAP stands for System Applications and Products in Data Processing. We have 10 million users, 32,000 customers, and it supports 21 plus industry solutions like a manufacturing, pharma, oil and gas. Okay. Next, beverage industry, food industry, chemical industry, mining, okay, aerospace, defense, hospitality, all these industries SAP will use. SAP is the third largest software company in the world after Microsoft and IBM. In SAP, we are using a R3 system. R3 means real-time three-tier architecture. In this real-time three-tier architecture, all the business packages are integrated, like individual models. Okay, MMPP, SD and all. It is intended in 1972 by 5 IBM scientists. It's a German-based software. From last 50 plus years, we are using SAP and all. What is R3? R3 means a real-time three-tier architecture. We have presentation, application, and database. Presentation means your mobile. Okay, this one, computer. Sometimes we are using desktop also. Application means your SAP software. You already know, right? You are installed SAP, right? Database. Once you install SAP, whenever you are saving data, the data will be stored in the database. Any software, not only in SAP, even if you go to the Java, .NET, Okay, Python, so many. If you want to run any report from last 5 years report, where data will be stored? It will be stored in the database. Without database, even if you go to the banking applications also, database will be there. Okay. Whenever you are working ECC, okay, ECC means Enterprise Central Component. SAP started in 1972 with the version ECC 4.0, 5, 5.6, 6, 6.5, 7 like that. ECC, SAP don't have their own database. Whenever we are working in ECC, right? ECC, SAP don't have their own database. They have to depend on the MS SQL, Oracle, IBM, DB2. Okay, these are the external database. ECC, SAP don't have their own database. And also ECC, SAP supports only GUI version. GUI means a graphical user interface. And from 2018 onwards, S4HANA came to the market. S4 means suit on fourth generation HANA. HANA means high performance analytical appliances. Whenever we are working S4 HANA, SAP have their own database. What is the database? Which database? When we are working S4 HANA. 1 second. Hello. Okay. HANA Cloud Database. You చెప్పే కదా, whenever you working S4 HANA, SAP have their own database. That is called HANA Cloud Database. All data will be stored in the cloud. Nowadays, all are using cloud only. Okay. S4 HANA supports GUI, URL, one more, Fury. These are the three in supports. Okay, I will show you. Okay, whenever I'm just opening, right, this is GUI. URL and all we don't get it. Only live projects will get it. This is on-premises. When you open this one, this is the GUI. This is S4HANA only. In backend, the database will be there. This is the server. Okay. No need to worry about too much like server and all. So only HANA server. Even I also don't know how they configure. Okay. So this is a GUI. Whenever you are working S4 HANA or ECC GUI, URL, even URL also, we are using transaction codes for day-to-day business operations. That is called T code. Any module, MMP, PSD, FICO, any module, they are using T codes. T code means transaction code. Okay. In the command field, we have to enter just T code, like purchase order creation. This is a MM. Suppose if you are going to create a sales order, VA01, sales module. Okay, like way this GUI will be work. Suppose you want to work Fury. Fury, who will work? Suppose management has given task to you. You have to work in the remote areas. You are working in the like a commercial department or promotional department, marketing. You don't carry laptop and desktop, right? What is company people will provide? They will provide tabs. Samsung, Lenovo, like that. They will install Fury Launchpad. IT people is there, right? Company IT people. They will install Fury Launchpad application into your tabs. Okay. Whenever you received order from customers, whenever you received any procurement related purchase order information from supplier, you just go to the tab and open the app. Tiles. Tile Arab same. We are not using any T code in the Fiori. Nowadays, in S4HANA, all are using apps. Fiori apps. If you go to the interviews also, they will ask app name. What is the purchase order? What is the sales order? The app name and all. Okay, now the latest version is 2409 version is going on. S4HANA. Last version 2408. 1709 also is there. So many versions are there. Okay. Suppose okay, first they will provide the that link and all. You just open this link. This is a Fiori. This is the Fiori link. Suppose if you want to create a purchase order process, manage purchase order. Here we are using any T code, not right. Just I am opening this app name. Okay, you have to go and create a purchase order. We are not using any T codes here. Okay, if you are working the Fiori, you don't need to remember T codes and all. You directly open the tab. That is the advantage. Going forward, all are using Fiori only. No one using this GUI and URL. Okay. You will open the screen. Just type the information. This is user friendly user interface like that. Okay. Modules in SAP. We have functional and technical. Functional means FI, CO, HR, SD, MM, PP, PM.
Gopi, I have a question with regard to the cloud app that you have shown, Puri. So, who will be the core users for that? Is it the consultants or the person who will be
No, no, no.
traveling?
Yeah, in development quality, we are using production only they will use, core users only use. Consultant will not use any apps.
Okay.
Why?
Okay.
Because
Hmm.
we are a consultant. Consultant will not work in the production system.
Right.
Okay. Only development and quality we have to work.
Okay. Yes. Got it. Yeah. Thank you.
Okay. These are the models. To learn these modules, you don't require coding knowledge. You require only business knowledge. Even procurement, sales, production, you require only business knowledge. From where it will be start, where it will be end. Normally, if you are working the sales model, first they will ask the inquiry whether the product is available or not. Then they will ask quotation. What is the suppose product is available? Quotation. 1 quintal how much rate? Then based on the quotation, they will create a sales order. I'll come to the next. Okay, this is the only functional. Okay, they're not using coding. Okay. HR module mainly deals with the HR related. The SD module mainly deals with sales of the products. MM module mainly deals with the procurement of the materials. PP module mainly deals with the production of the material. Plant maintenance deals with the machinery and the equipments. Okay. Next, these are the technical. ABAP, BI, BW, basis, and HANA. When you are working this technical modules, you require coding knowledge. Okay, mainly ABAP. ABAP purely technical. We require SQL, script, all Java something, all mixed. Okay, basis is not comes under that coding and all. Even though it's not comes under coding, some software and hardware are linking. like a system configuration, server configuration, okay, and also that roles authorization, all are comes because of that. This called it as a technical. HANA is a database server. BIBW mainly used for report purpose. For that, they are using this, technical one. Clear? Next, in SAP, we are using a landscape. Landscape called arrangement of servers. Whenever we are today class only introduction, ma. Okay. Landscape means arrangement of servers. Okay. Whenever we are working in any SAP system, we have landscape is there. Development, quality, and production. Okay. We will discuss about this one. Landscape means arrangement of server. Any client, if they want to implement SAP, they need to purchase the servers. SAP suggested go for minimum 3 servers: development, quality, and production. Okay. Who will use what? Development server used to configure the client business process. Used by consultant only. We are a consultant. Okay. First, we'll go to the types of users and all. Total 3 types of users in SAP available: end user, consultant, super user and power user, consultant. End user means he will execute day-to-day business transactions. First, you have to understand these 3 terminologies before we are going to any projects or to learn any SAP modules. What they will do, who will do what. Suppose if end user facing any issues, they will connect the super user or power user. Suppose you are end user, example. Okay, she is your boss. Okay, she is a supervisor. If you are facing any issues, compared to you, she has knowledge in SAP, like purchase reports, or you are unable to send a mail to the vendor that is purchase order or sales order to the customer. She will guide you. Suppose she also not able to resolve your issue, you have to connect consultant, me. Consultant is the coordination between end user and the super user. Hope all are clear?
User means like Excel work only.
No. Excel. Excel work and all, we are talking about SAP point of view, not Excel point of view. Excel point of view means why you are learning SAP. Suppose you are receiving one order from vendor, like a purchase order. You have to go and execute that entry in the SAP, not Excel work. In SAP entry, I am talking. Excel and all, for Excel work and all, you don't need to learn SAP. Yeah. Okay, got it. So we are not doing an Excel work. Excel is only 10%, 5% work. End user means you are going to create a purchase order, you are going to create a sales order, customer master, vendor master, material master, all are they are going to execute in production server. Clear? Leave it Excel. Okay. Okay, these are the 3 types of users. Whenever you are working development server, who will use development server? Consultant only. if you are going to the consulting field, like HCL, IBM, Tech Mahindra, Capgemini, TCS, so many companies are there. You are a consultant. Some of the people are working as an end user also. Okay. What is the difference between consultant and end user? Consultant know front end and back end. End user know only front, they don't know back. They're going only one path. Okay, do these steps and all. But the consultant, what they will do? Okay, this coming from where? If you don't do, what will happen? That and all you have to analyze. That is a consultant work. Quality server used to test the scenarios used by consultant and core user. Who is the core user? Employee the company who has good experience and exposure. Production is a live server where end user will do day-to-day transactions. I think some of the one guy, Hari, you are working as end user, right? Hello? Hello, Hari? Are you there? Jaya, are you getting my voice ma properly?
Yes,
Okay.
very clear.
Hello, Hari? Okay.
He's on mute actually.
Okay. Okay, one guy is working end user. Okay, he is working only in production. He cannot have access of development and quality. Production is the live server where end user will do all these transactions. Who will use production server? End user, core user. If you're going to the interviews, interview will ask, I am the interview person. Okay, you are a consultant. Whether you can able to transact in the production server or not. Say one question for testing your knowledge. I don't want to go beyond questions. If you tell yes, na, I don't want to continue like further. Why? Because you don't know basic thing. You have to learn basic things. Production server will not, consultant will not have access. You cannot work also. You have to assist end user and core user. Clear? Whenever these people facing, we have to assist. Consultant will not have access to the production. User will not have access to the development server. We are doing configuration and testing. Why users require access? If they require, they have access, why we require? Got it now? They are only working production. Whenever they have any issues, we have to assist. We have to help. This is the total landscape. Clear? Okay, development we are using configuration, quality, testing, production is the live server. Okay, we have what is the roles of consultant in the implementation projects? Okay, or PhD consultant. Not only consultant, even HD consultant also. What is the roles and responsibilities? We have to organize the workshops. If you don't know requirement, you have to conduct some workshops. Gathering customer requirement. And also scoping, gap analysis, preparing blueprint. Gap analysis means standard SAP, some of the requirements are not possible. We have to take help from ABAPers. ABAP people is there, right? Technical. With the help of ABAP, we have to do gap analysis documentation. Okay, they will write some coding. You will not write coding. You have to give some input. What input required? Input what? Output what? They will prepare that gap analysis document. And also preparing blueprints. Blueprint documentation is there. Customizing, coordination with the technical team for enhancements. Just now we discussed it. And also testing, documentation, writing training documents, training end users. These are the activities as a consultant, not only consultant, SD consultant also has to do these activities. All are same only.
Sorry, SAP module can access servers of all this.
Sorry, I'm not getting.
server, server. I can access SD server.
Yes, yes. SAP all modules are you can access up to quality, up to quality, up to quality, up to quality. Production, whichever you have access, module access, those only can have. Production we cannot have access like change, display and all. Only display we have access. Create, change we don't have.
You can't access the technical access.
No, you can. Up to quality, up to quality. Up to quality you will have full access. Even can if you want to learn SD also, you can use that SD transactions. All are one folder. All modules are in one folder in a SAP. Okay, these are all basic introduction about SAP and all. Up to here, is anyone have queries? Guys, Ashish, Hari, make few people.
Gopi, I did not get the other person's question. So, what was the question? The question is it do we have access to all the modules or
yes.
what was the question? I'm sorry.
Actually, his doubt is, suppose I am working in SD model.
Okay.
Whether I have access, I will get it or not.
Okay.
I told you will get it. Why? Because in SAP, all folders are, all modules are one folder.
Yeah.
Up to quality, will get full access.
Right.
Production, you don't get it access on that. Full access on that.
Like
you can access other modules also.
done. Thank you.
Why? Because you are a consultant, right?
Yes.
Users will not have access. Okay, you are a consultant will have access. Yes, sir. You have any questions?
All good. So I have one thing. So as a consultant, we'll be doing all the requirements gathering, blueprints and all configuration, integration, and everything is done. Testing, after testing, and once the production is started. See, in a real life scenarios, once the production has started, and for example, SD or in any module. So the next project, what the consultant will be doing for the next project? Because in a real time scenario,
go ahead.
Only once the production is started, then it will go on. Maybe a slight changes will be there, but not into the major structure will change it. So after that, what the consultant?
I will tell you. Actually, previously I have worked for one project.
Okay.
Okay, that is all development activities. Okay, that wire manufacturer. I don't want to disclose the client name and all.
Okay.
Only wire manufacturer. They are across the globe. Their business is across the globe, like India, Brazil, Belgium, USA, all Russia, so many countries they have. Okay. Whenever any requirement received from different countries, okay, we will do those developments. Why? Because client is same only, but their business is major, right?
Yeah.
Okay, we have to support like their development, support tickets. So many users are working, more than 15,000 users are working across the globe. Any user, every day they're facing issues, right? Sometimes server issues, sometimes transaction issues. Okay, some people are working support tickets, some people are working the development tickets, some people are working the project tickets. All these kind of activities we have to perform. Your question is valid. Okay, suppose once project is live, what consultant next activity? Correct, na, Hari?
Yes.
Yeah, we have to move to the other projects. Within your projects also, if you are facing issues, right? You are raising ticket, P1, P2, P3, P4 tickets. Who will resolve your issues? Consultant only. Suppose your management will decide, okay, every day they're facing issues. Why can't we hire consultant? Like one company, Capgemini. Capgemini, so many users are, so many consultants is there. MM model, PP, SD, and all. Whenever you facing any issue, like SD, it will go to the SD consultant, the ticket. He has to go to the ticket and resolve your issue. Up to the project. Whenever the project validity is there, up to that time, up to that extent, he has to support. Once the project validity is over, you can move to the another project. So many projects are there across the world, not only your company, right? So many, you are working for end user, correct, na?
Yes.
You are working for end user. Like end users means your company are working only. You are not moving to other projects. You cannot move also. So unless until if you change the company, they will not give consultant role to you. Suppose if you are working consulting role, you can move to the one project. Suppose this time I'm working pharma project. Next year you have to work pipes manufacturing. Next year you have to work retail. Next year you have to work food industry. Next year you have to work fertilizers. So many manufacturing industries are there. Automobile industry like Hyundai, BMW, okay. Next Tata. That also SAP are using. Not only SAP is not stricted for one industry. So many manufacturing industries they are using. Clear, Hari?
Yes. 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 And so, just for my understanding, normally a project is assigned from from the initial stage to the go into the live production. So, how many months it will take?
Yeah,
A minimum and an average.
yeah, I will tell you. Yesterday I told this one.
Okay.
Okay. The average project tenure for domestic, if you are working for Indian companies, the tenure will be 9 months to the 1 year. Up to 1 year, the implementation will be there. Suppose if you are working for foreign project, only I'm talking about implementation. It will be 18 months. Suppose you have gap is there, career gap. At least you have to put 3 to 4 years experience. Suppose some people are working different domains. They have to put also 3 to 4 years. If you don't have gap, you have to put a fresher only. Then there is no scope for putting experience and all. Okay, in the resume, if you put implementation experience, you have to put 1 year. Support you can put any one project I have worked support more than 5 years. Support no one will ask why you are working more than 5 years. You don't have other project like that. No one asks. They know about the project situation and all.
So it means working on one project means only hirings or pharma company in that way.
And not only wiring, so many industries, sir.
Working in one industry.
Yeah, I will tell you. SAP. Okay, first complete this one. Okay, these are the phases, Hari. Phase
Okay.
1, phase 2, phase 3, phase 4, phase 5. Phase 1 is the project preparation, phase 2 is the business blueprint, phase 3 is the realization, phase 4 final preparation. Phase 5 is the go live and testing. Okay, every phase some duration will be there, 3 months, 6 months, like that. Within that time period, you have to complete your project. Back end, your project team will be there, project manager, and all. Okay.
So on an average, the validity would be how many months?
Yeah, if you are working for Indian project, 12 months.
Okay.
Foreign project, 18 months. Don't put 5 years, 3 years and all. One project. implementation.
Okay.
Definitely they will think you are not work.
Yeah.
Okay, that's why whenever you put a resume projects into your resume, you just discuss with some other persons how other people has done. Accordingly, you can put all the implementation and support work. Don't put 3 years, 4 years. You will not receive a single call also.
Got it.
Seeing on your resume, okay, the consult that recruiter has to be in good good note. Okay, good impression. Okay, this guy resume is good, like that. First
Understood.
checking the resume, they are to in impression, good impression. Like don't prepare like just like that. Okay, uh, resume will not satisfy. Okay,
Gosh.
next your question, right?
Yeah.
Clear, Hari?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Next,
Gopi, I have a question.
yeah,
So,
wait.
yeah,
Yeah, SAP we are using. These are the industries. Aerospace, not only wire, not only pharma, automotive. Automotive means all automobile industries. Hyundai, కార్లు చెప్పండి, టాటా, ఇంకా మహేంద్ర, all are using SAP. Banking, like financial, banking, chemical industry is there, right? Asian Paint. Asian Paint is a chemical only. చెప్పు మీరే చెప్పాలన్నారు. నెక్స్ట్ కన్జ్యూమర్ ప్రొడక్ట్స్ తెలుసు కదా, అంటే మన FMCG. ఓకే, దట్ ఈస్ కన్జ్యూమర్ ప్రొడక్ట్. డిఫెన్స్ అండ్ సెక్యూరిటీస్ అంటే ఇప్పుడు మన చెప్పు అదేలే, ఎయిర్పోర్ట్స్ లాంటి ఏదైనా మనం మ్యానుఫ్యాక్చరింగ్ చేస్తారు చూడండి, దానికోసం. నెక్స్ట్ కన్స్ట్రక్షన్ ఇంజనీరింగ్. ఓకే, అంటే ఏదైనా బిల్డింగ్ కన్స్ట్రక్షన్స్కి ఏదైనా రా మెటీరియల్స్ పడుతుంటారు, లేకపోతే ఇంకా ఇంజనీరింగ్ ప్రొడక్ట్స్ ఉంటాయి కదా అవి. హెల్త్ కేర్, తర్వాత హెవీ మెషినరీ మ్యానుఫ్యాక్చరింగ్, లైక్ టర్బైన్స్, జనరేటర్స్, మోటార్స్, హీట్ పంపింగ్ మిషన్స్. తర్వాత ఇన్సూరెన్స్, లైఫ్ సైన్సెస్, మీడియా, మిల్క్ ప్రొడక్ట్స్ అంటే తెలుసు కదా, డైరీ. తర్వాత మైనింగ్, ఆయిల్ అండ్ గ్యాస్లో SAP మస్ట్ అండ్ షుడ్. మీరు సౌదీ కానీ లేకపోతే అరబ్ కంట్రీస్కి వెళ్ళామనుకో, SAP మస్ట్ అండ్ షుడ్. తర్వాత ఫార్మాలో కూడా SAP మస్ట్. ఇప్పుడు మీకు అరవింద్ ఉంది కదా, తర్వాత రెడ్డిస్ ఉంది, SAP ఉంటుంది ఖచ్చితంగా. తర్వాత రీటైల్, టెలికమ్యూనికేషన్, ట్రాన్స్పోర్టేషన్, దీస్ ఆర్ ద ఇండస్ట్రీస్ SAP విల్ బి. క్లియర్? మీకు నేను జస్ట్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చెప్పా, వైర్ అనేది అట్లా. ఎస్ మా.
yeah, thank you. So, my question to you is, now that the level of training that we receive from you, what experience we can keep in our resume confidently? Is it going to be a 3-year, 2-year experience?
Yeah, 4 years ma.
4 years. Okay.
4 years if you put, then only you'll get calls. Why? Because your experience is more.
Yes.
Okay, I think 20 years,
18.
18 years. At least you have to put 5 years also can manage.
Okay.
Why? Because 18 years experienced people, they can easily grasp all those things and all. If you put 5 years and all,
Yeah.
it's not a problem. Why? Because if 4 years people is there, they cannot grasp easily. Already experience means you can grasp easily. You can put at least 4 to 5.
4 to 5. Okay. Thank you.
Okay, you tell out of 18 years, I have worked these areas, 14 years into this domain. From last 4 years, I am into SAP.
All right.
Like that, you can tell. Don't put different experience. Same experience you can convert into SAP.
SAP. Right.
Okay, like your manager, right? Which
Yes.
industry you are working?
I'm into clinical.
Yeah, clinical also using SAP.
Yes.
Okay, like manufacturing of that medical equipments is there, right?
Yes.
Those companies also SAP using. You can put that. Tell that company name. Okay, whether you have worked really, no one will inquire. If you going
Right.
for inquiry and all, they will not ask you whether you have worked SAP or not. Whether
Yes.
you are worked in that company from this period to this period. That's it.
Or not. Yes.
Okay,
That's
those details only they will ask.
right.
Clear?
Yeah. Thank you.
Yes, guys. Any questions remaining? Hari, Ashish.
No, sir, I'm good.
Okay. Hi,
So,
Ashish. Yes, Majaya.
so from tomorrow onwards, we will be starting full-fledged training, right?
Yeah, full-fledged training. Today I will give small introduction about SAP.
Okay.
All completed that introduction and all. Okay, I'm starting out your queries and all. Like you ask some queries, some people ask.
Right.
Okay, like so some people are in dilemma, means which module is good and all.
Yeah.
Okay, some people have different opinions. That is the one. You have any queries? అడుగుమ్మా అడుగు ఏముంది మీరు ఓకే నేను వాళ్ళనే అడుగుతున్నా ఏం లేదా అందరూ అడగచ్చు ఎవరైనా మోహన్ ఎందుకంటే కొందరికి క్వశ్చన్స్ ఎక్కువ ఇస్తాయి అడుగుతున్నా వాళ్ళ దగ్గర నుంచి మీకు మైండ్లో అది అడగాలనా లేదని మీకు డౌట్ ఉంటుంది వాళ్ళు అడిగిన తర్వాత ఓకే ఇదే క్వశ్చన్ నేను అడిగింటే బాగుందని ఉంటుంది కదా అట్లా అడగచ్చు ఎక్స్ప్రెస్ యువర్ వర్డ్స్ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ ఈజ్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ డోంట్ పుట్ ఇన్ యువర్ కీప్ ఇట్ ఇన్ యువర్ మైండ్ అది అట్లనే ఉండిపోతుంది ఎక్స్ప్రెస్ చేస్తేనే ఎందుకంటే ఐటీ ఫీల్డ్లో ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ ఈజ్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ వెదర్ ఇట్స్ అ రాంగ్ ఆర్ రైట్ వెదర్ ఇట్స్ జెన్యున్ వన్ ఆర్ నాట్ జెన్యున్ వన్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు ఎక్స్ప్రెస్ ఎక్స్ప్రెస్ చేస్తేనే ఓకే ఈ అమ్మాయి వర్క్ చేస్తుంది కొద్దిగా అడుగుతుంది అబ్బాయి వర్క్ చేస్తున్నాడు అని ఉంటుంది అనేది ఇంపార్టెంట్ మనం కామ్గా ఉన్నాం అనుకో ఓకే ఏం అడగలే ఇంకా అయిపోయింది ఇంకా క్లోజ్ చేద్దాం అనుకుంటాను ఇట్లా అడగాల క్వశ్చన్స్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు రైస్ అర్థమైనా వెదర్ ఇట్స్ రాంగ్ ఆర్ రైట్ మీరు తెలుసుకుంటారు కదా యూ విల్ నో రైట్ ఎస్ గైస్ ఆశీష్ okay tomorrow onwards same time okay we can start regular classes up to material master and hd is common from material master onwards okay hd will separate will separate I will teach separately okay maybe up to 1 week it's common classes after 1 week we'll disperse okay separate timings and all okay 1 hour before or after like that okay
Already. So, how many are there for SD, Gopi?
yeah name Vijay మీరు కళ్యాణి ప్రవీణ్ హరి మీరు కూడా ఎస్డిఏ కదా
Yeah, SD అండి.
ఎస్ హరి
Including me, it's going to be 5. Wow.
yeah 5
Good
maybe
number.
few more also will join that I will let you know okay as of now
Yeah. So, the target is to finish by. Sorry, Gopi, I'm asking this question too many times. You know my problem. So,
yeah I know okay April 1st or 2nd week
oh, fantastic. Thank you so much.
okay
Yeah.
నేనే అట్లా అనుకోలేండి ఎందుకంటే ఈగ అంటే సేమ్ క్వశ్చన్ అడగాలనిపిస్తుంది అంటే అవన్నీ మనం పెట్టుకోకూడదు
I'm worried. Ante.
okay
That's it.
I know
Okay. Thank you.
you are worried like a kid
True, actually.
yes I know okay okay అండి మీరు ఇద్దరు ఎంఎంఏ కదా ఓకే ఐ థింక్ ప్రభాస్ ఎంఎం మహేష్ బాబు మీరు ఎంఎంఏ కదా
అందరు హీరోసే ఉన్నారు మన గ్రూప్ లో అసలు
అర్థం కాలేదు
అందరు హీరో నేమ్సే ఉన్నారు మన గ్రూప్ లో
ఈయన ప్రభాస్ అంటే ఈయన పేరు మహేష్ బాబు కాదులే ఈయన పేరు కల్కి కళ్యాణ్
ఓకే
కళ్యాణ్ పవన్ కళ్యాణ్
పవన్ కళ్యాణ్ సారీ గైస్ ఐమ్ జస్ట్ బీయింగ్ ఫ్రెండ్లీ సో
okay yeah no I am also friendly if I don't speak friendly you will not speak friendly right
so otherwise serious discussions will not help. We have to
yeah
be
serious discussion means you're going to the different mode
yeah
sleepy mode
True. Probably we can start with a cracking a joke in between or starting of the session.
Yeah.
It will be
Not starting of the session.
middle of the session.
Middle of the session, you will lazy mode, right? Okay,
Yeah,
topic is not good. It's not reaching to your mind. You
that's
have
true.
to, go with a different. Okay,
Yeah.
sometimes she's sleeping. I'll observe. Okay, immediately if I ask, na, okay, mind will be alert.
Yeah.
Correct, na?
Right.
Just general, ma. I'm not. Tomorrow onwards, I will observe. Okay, ma. Right.
All
Thank you.
right. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Take care, guys.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.